Okay guys, so Bruno and I got up this morning. You saw him eat breakfast and me do a little bit of yoga. Normally I would do a HIIT workout, but today's a rest day. Hey. I'm just gonna take you along with me on this like Sunday routine video. Today is actually Thursday, spoiler. But I'm gonna do the things that I would normally do on a Sunday. So meal planning, grocery shopping, any kind of house chores that I have to do, and just kind of resetting my calendars and things for the week. So I'm gonna get started with cleaning up some dishes. Okay, so I just got back from Aldi and Walmart. Let me show you what I got. All right, I got a dozen eggs. I needed some butter. I was almost out of creamer. I needed some apple juice, some milk, orange juice, bacon, brown sugar, and then I got some frozen green beans because they were actually so much cheaper than fresh. I needed potatoes. I got some pinto beans that I'm gonna make red beans and rice with. Salad dressings that I needed, and then I needed a dish brush, some washcloths for my fiance, toothpaste, and then containers that I'm gonna put at the top of my closet. So I had to tweak the menu plan a little bit because like certain things were gonna cost me more and I wasn't gonna be able to use them and it really wasn't gonna be the right thing. So here's what the meal plan looks like now.
At this point, I would make sure my fridge calendar is up to date. I'm actually gonna insert a clip from the beginning of the month when I redid the whole calendar for August. So now that we looked at that family calendar, I'm going to catch up with my budget calendar. This would also be the time when I would catch up with my like work or grad school calendar, because surprise, I'm going to grad school. Give this video a thumbs up if you are also going to grad school. Okay, so that's kind of the basic gist of my Sunday. I'll clean, I will meal plan, grocery shop, and then when I come home, I'll like either chop some carrots or broccoli so it's like already pre-assigned. If I get like a big pack of meat, I would also like divvy it out, just kind of processing some of those groceries. Like you saw me today with the brown sugar and the beans, just putting them in canisters. Then I will keep my calendars up to date, settle up with my receipts and things from the week, and then I kind of just relax. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you next week when I'm actually going to be doing some breakfast and lunch prep for the school year, because the first couple weeks of school are always hectic, and this first month of school is going to be crazy because grad school just being the first month and, you know, getting married at the end of the month. No big deal. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. So after I update my calendars for the week, then I pretty much say, oh, hi, Bruno. Oh, hello, Bruno. Can I close this video, please? That's my stomach. I just want to close this video.